Hey everyone, Rhett Price here. Just wanted to show you some new enhancements we have for 13.1 coming out soon. One is a new installer for all the products that we offer. Here I'm going to show the calibrations.com installer. One thing you'll notice is it is quite a bit smaller. It's underneath a gig. It's at 701 megabytes. And what we've been able to do is basically make a secondary installer for more admin tools that most users would never use on a daily basis. So this allows us to shrink that and overall have a much faster install experience when installing for the first time or upgrading. So I'm going to demonstrate this. So basically you'll see the version calibrations.com. You'll see the folder. Now, you might have this in IndySoft before. If you are an older user, by default now it goes to this particular folder directory. And then as you're installing, the nice thing about this installer is there is no uninstall required. You can simply install this over and over, putting it in different folders. So you want to have different versions for some reason, you can do that. So I'm just going to leave the default here. You can create a desktop shortcut. Shows where it's going to install it, and there we go. So again, no uninstall, saves quite a bit of time. You can manually uninstall these products, but what we found is, especially when customers are trying a new version or whatever, it's nice to be able to just keep multiple installed versions on your computer. So that's what this allows you to do now. And you'll see it's a much faster experience. We're almost here at the end. I will let it finish. All right, so it's finished, and then you can launch calibrations.com. Overall, I think everyone will enjoy the new installation experience. Thanks.